So good evening, good afternoon, people. So we are here prepping for the New York session. As I've said, just going to go straight into the live stream. Of course, guys, honesty at times is key in this business. We've hit our first SL of the week. Ah, ah. You see, besides the entry confirmations, there was a crazy buy to the upside. It has happened. It has happened. So yeah, so that was a crazy bad start. But anyway, it happens. This is trading, and in trading, anything is possible. All right. So um, just want to continue and maybe look for a possible continuation of the setup. Clearly, can see price has grabbed this liquidity. Price has grabbed that liquidity like that. Price has grabbed that liquidity, and my next attention actually is drawn to this level. I'm now drawing my next attention to this level. All right. I'm drawing my next attention to that level. Although even with that, I'll have to get a few more confirmations, but clearly you can see after a break of that trend line, it's important price might have to retest the trend line first before thinking of any other thing. Maybe breaking below it back to the zone or continuing back to test other levels there. But my interest as we stand is that price would react to this level here. Are we together? So I'm going to put my continuation. I'm going to put my continuation diagram. I'm going to put my continuation diagram here. My continuation diagram ndio umefika. Weza wako for our continuation. So we are on Tuesday. I like putting the day so that we know the day that we analyze the pair. So we are going to be here. Okay. So you can see after an aggressive break out of the trend line, we see the market pulling back. We see the market pulling back. You see the market pulling back. Liquidity sweep has happened. Liquidity sweep has happened above. Liquidity sweep has happened above. So we expect that push. I mean that pull to the zone. But regardless, we need to have a confirmation. We need to have a confirmation that will tell us if you are going to enter or not. So from this small move, clearly you can see we had a break of structure to the downside. With a break of structure to the downside. From there, we had a market structure shift. Market structure shift.
Come and see someone dancing.
Market structure shift. Market structure shift. Market structure shift like that. Um, then of course with the record structure here again. Record structure there. Ryan, in a meeting. Okay. Now, so it means this our market structure actually in the 30 minutes time frame. It's still showing us some sense of but it takes time for us to believe it's going to be bearish. But anyway, there'll be signs. I can see some signs over here. A very good sign if you can get this liquidity shift there, I can be able to get a sell model based on that. And get a sell model based on that. So that's what we'll be looking technically to see a trade idea formed on that particular angle. So I'm technically looking for more of a liquidity shift above this level. If it can happen, then break of structure to it or market structure shift. Then you're going to do it. All right. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. That's the movement. I think here there too. Let me delete one. Good. So technically, we're really waiting for confirmation to enter for a sale. If something comes tangible, we'll be looking forward to to sell. Back to this zone, at least to this zone. Right? Uniona niko hapa.
Alafu uone chat zako.
So nami na meeting. So umesema unaenda nyumbani? Chana maneno yako wewe. So you come here and you say 1 hour time frame. One hour time frame. Okay, tuweke hapo. Okay. Sijui kwa like yako hiyo account ya kanisa. So here we are really expecting to get some buys there. Like that. So guys, if you can post this kwa kwangu niko na mtoto mdogo. Hiyo ni account yenye kwa TV pia. Ni premium eh? I think the account is premium. All right, so guys, just give me a minute. I'm coming back in a few. I'm coming back in a few. So just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm coming back in a few. So let me disable my mic a little bit. Monitor only. So want to continue?
Hi guys.
Sorry for that.
Oliver. Okay, that is sorry.
No, you know this.
Okay, that is sorry.
You know these videos are watched. No, when it's post, people will watch them.
This thing.
Yes, people will watch it after this one.
Support.
It will support you for YouTube. So guys, we want to and see what's going to happen in the next affairs. From what we realized in the morning, Euro USD has not yet tapped our zone. It's like it's refusing to tap the zone, but it is what it is. USD what tumeangalia asubuhi. I mean GU, it has not yet tapped the zone, and I think likely it's not. I think it's not boarding to the zone from the way nimekwambia, even if I give this live stream later on, people still find this video to watch. Go to the playlist and see. Now, I think the GU is really moving very fast from the zone.
Mbona comes in?
So, I think much has happened.
Guys, follow him on all platforms. He's the biggest trader. Kenyan Prince.
So we want to see. I can see this one clearly. Early wants to drop. I'm sorry, guys. I'm in school and sometimes this can be funny in a way. So yeah, give us a direction, but willingness things still dropping. This one we are still on course on it. I hope it will give us that direction that we're looking for. Yes, then USD card hatuko tumeiangalia, but now tuiangalie sai this minute. We're going to look at the USD card. USD card. Now, if you go to the daily profile, this market actually was bullish. And one of the things I think that I said previously, I think it was in the week 0 or something, I said that market might have just wanted to come and react on this to finish this imbalance. That's why I was aiming for those sales at the CE over here. And it has happened. It has happened. So clearly you can see market has come to that. Clearly you can see this one is more of a balanced market. Whatever was happening, I don't understand clear. You look at the candles, you can see it was more of a balanced market until we left a lot of imbalance here. Now price came to fill it, and I'm looking at it in that angle there. And also I'm looking at those two zones. So that's a zone that I'm really looking at when it comes to daily parameters of this market. Are we together? So we're looking at that when it comes to the daily parameters of this market. So support me, like, subscribe, share the video. Or use the card. Nimesahau sijaangalia Dow Jones. I mean Dow Jones. That's US 30. Daily time frame. So tutoka daily time frame tunaingia wapi? Tunaingia 4-hour time frame and you can see how market has been coming down Um, who is that now? Hello? 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 Dogo tu. Usiende mbali. Wanafunzi naona hapo.
Uko wapi? Niko hapo ukiconcrete.
Hey, sorry guys. Well, this live stream has had just these challenges, but regardless, we focus and we move on. So already I can see something. Okay, this is for our time frame. As we speak, I think it's more of it's more like this right now, but um I'm kind of looking forward for a push to a zone, these zones over here. Yeah, so it's not a clear market that I'd want to trade as of this point. Let's go to a NAS US30. I mean Dow Jones. Dow Jones finally managed to break structure here, break structure, but with a lot of information left above it. You get the point? So this is my supply. My supply zone. Like that. So it has broke the zone, but with a lot of information left above there, which actually can influence the market to rally to that zone. But hey, this now I'm seeing a lot of things happening. I'm also seeing this level. I'm also seeing this level here. Yeah, as a level that you might also be looking at. But yeah, A lot of information actually is happening on this one. Mm. This is just mitigated supplies and everything. Yeah. Why did I feel like my pairs are a bit slow already? It's Tuesday and I feel like I don't have an edge yet. Huh? It is Tuesday and I feel like I don't have an edge. It's not a good sign. It's not a good sign, by the way. Okay. It's okay. Regardless, we try and keep pushing. Hmm. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I'm not seeing anything tangible on that. BTC is still melting up. I think BTC has refused the idea of coming back here. Possible. So now melting up. Nasdaq finally still trying to melt up to the zone. Guys, I feel like I don't have an edge yet. I feel like I still don't have a cleaner edge in the market yet. Mm. I still feel like I still don't have an edge yet in the market. That's what I feel. If you ask me, I feel like I still don't have an edge yet in the market. I'm still I'm still present. I'm still visible. Break of structure to the downside. Um, we stop dealing with these things here and we narrow down to a lower. Mm, I'm still not getting a clearer picture from the market. I don't know if you understand me. I'm still getting fabricated images. I mean, fabricated images. I'm like not getting a clear proof of where the market intends to go to at this hour. I think you have to come back here live. I think we have to be live from around 5ish or 6. Or we're also looking at this. Oh, oh. We didn't get a confirmation, so this one is a failed one. Okay, we wanted to like a bit sell from here. This was our target selling point. We were targeting to sell from here. Hmm. But it's like price and other intentions to sell. Okay. Okay. It's just okay. So officially we have a break of structure. Okay, and this zone becomes irrelevant for now. Okay, it's still valid. The sell is still valid. Uh, you see, this what time frame. Okay, it will be at the OTE. I know it will be approaching the OTE, so it's still in the selling zone. So the sale is still active. What I'm just going. The same is also like reciprocating here. Also here we're looking for that sell, and I think price did not satisfy us. It has not satisfied us because we intend for the market such a shift, liquidity shift. We intend to see market sweeping this here. Market inataka kutunyima raha mapema, inataka kutunyima raha mapema. But anyway, we keep waiting and watching. Uh, okay, I asked it. Naona tusituko hapa. Those are beautiful liquidities to the downside. If price works above this zone retest, we are in for some sales, for some buys. And our target actually is this zone. We're looking forward for some buys. If it so happens, tunataka tuangalie onto that 4. It's okay. Already we are having a liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep. We are waiting for a market structure. If market pulls above this, we will be having a market structure shift. Sasa ilikuwa is this HF? So already we have to-do list. We have a liquidity sweep. We have an MSS, OB, stroke FVG. Liquidity sweep, red, claim. So waiting for the rest to enter our trade. And this one can be visible, I think, at this level here. No, yeah. Liquidity sweep, waiting for the max limit change, then you can take our trade. Okay. So I think these are the only developments that we are having right now. I think the other one was in GA. I mean, I don't know about trade here. Do we have any development here? We waited for that sell. Market delivered otherwise. So it is what it is. This one has we not yet looked at it. This one is done that manager to pair a clear view. This one inataka kucheza na hii eh. No, I think something is happening with pound because I can see pounds are dropping. Look at that pound, it's dropping, 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 dropping. I think something crazy is happening with the pounds. Maybe there's a news affecting the pound that I don't know, that's not visible on the calendar because today is Tuesday. Pound, nothing tentative on the pound. Is it employment rate or public sector net borrowing is affecting the pound? Yeah. The XY, um, a bit stable on the plan. The plan was to calm down. The XY, have you calmed down sufficiently? Let's see. Charges still high, XY will still calm down, but calm down to this level. This level. It's not a time to buy. Calm down here. Right. So guys, I think from what I'm seeing at the market, everything looks a bit clean from what we did in the morning of hours. So I'm still looking for positions. I know in the weird hours this market will turn crazy and start selling massively, but we'll wait and see. So for now, I think let me not make this live stream too long because again, there are a lot of disturbances. Um, who are this now? Okay, so that is it. I thought we are going to have some opportunity, but I think the market has not yet reacted. We're still there to Dangote. We are not scalpers, so we want to wait for at least clear structure and everything to align so that we can strike, we strike peacefully. All right, so peace out.